So hey guys, welcome to this new video, and as you know, I said I will be regularly updating you with new events, and here is coming to the next one. And hope you watched my previous video and on Azure Developer League, which is a very great thing. You can learn from them and participate and do the hackathons and win prizes. Do check it out. And today we were going to see some new challenges on Google Developers website. So make sure you like this video and let's get started. So if you go to this is the developers page, Google developers page, and this is the link, and Android developer challenge lift off with Jetpack Compose. So Jetpack Compose is an Android modern toolkit for building native UI, which enables you to quickly bring your app to life with less code, powerful tools, and intuitive Kotlin APIs. So what is this all about, right? If you know Flutter, you are going to code and do that on your means virtual mobile, or you're connecting through your personal mobile. So you have to code a little bit also and do that also, right? So what this is Jetpack Compose, they have made, and they're increasing the rate of making the apps, Android apps, more easily and quickly, right? It enables you to quickly bring your app to life, means with using less features, and means a lot less features, with using less typing codes, right? They have made such a thing that with using this selective item, you can compose it, and just in seconds you can build your app, right? So that's the main challenge they have brought into. Let's see the video they are talking about, they have shown here. Let's make it full screen. You see, yeah, they've said that designing beautiful apps will not be any quick, right? You have to code a very long and very heavy codes, right? So what they've done is minimizing that thing is very necessary for a new one who is approaching a new idea to an app, right? So what they have done is built a native UI with using very less composing things and all this building things. So what this Jetpack is doing, so Jetpack means, if you see, means like a swing. So they have done with less coding, you will get your app to run in your Play Store. Okay. Material design is one of the main components in Flutter. If you know Flutter or any UI or UX designing thing, material design is one most important thing in Flutter. With using those things in material design, you can make things, right. So they have talking about also that, also how to minimize that thing also in the Jetpack Compose. Yes, lift off. So I think you got the reason why they've given Jetpack, right? After seeing this video, you might have seen why they've given Jetpack. Oh, so this was the video they have officially told. So I think after seeing this, you might have got a rough idea. Uh, for the next 4 weeks, they have opened this challenge, and with various and great heavy prizes, right? The challenges is week one is puppy adoption app. You can see all the details here. Let's start the Android Dev challenge with a bark. So as the puppy, it will be a bot. So build a puppy adoption app. The app should contain an overview screen that displays a list of puppies and the detail screen showing each puppy details. So you will have one second, as the date is gone for your first week, no problem. There are 4 weeks further, means the other 3 weeks you can do that. This week's prizes they have done is Jetpack Compose better. This one is the swags you will be getting if you built a successful one thing. So made of super O bricks, the Jetpack Compose swag. So after that, you will be getting all the hashtag 3 week challenges, right? This one is from March 2nd. So don't worry about it. Go through it and do some great things with Jetpack Compose. And you have some great learnings also. You'll be getting some great ideas and also some benefits also. So this was all about this event and this video. So hope you guys liked this video, and next video is coming soon. Stay tuned.